Hello everyone, my name is Andreas and today we're going to learn how to take a good photo of an artwork. But in order to give you this lesson, I'm going to need the help of my assistant here, the Cookie Monster!
Hello teacher, me finish artwork important for me. Me want to take picture.
Step number 1. Please take the photo during the day because we need the sunlight. So find the right place with the right light conditions.
Me found the right spot. Me pasted artwork on the wall.
Step number 2. Get close to your artwork. The camera needs to capture details.
Like this teacher.
You're too far. Get closer.
Like this teacher.
You can do better. Step number 3. Your artwork has to fill almost the entire area of your camera.
Like this teacher.
Yes, perfect. Step number 4. Please check the focus of your camera. To do so, you have to tap on the screen. You know how to do that?
Of course teacher. Me loves taking selfies.
Step number 5. Take the photo. To do that, you just tap again on the screen in the right spot. Now, if you follow these 5 basic steps, your photo should look something like this.
Ready. Now, me wants to send photo to the teacher.
Hold your horses right there. Before doing that, you have to crop the picture and adjust brightening contrast.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Me does that every time me takes a selfie.
So now we're done. Thank you very much for paying attention. Now your photo should look something like this.
See you next time, and don't forget to eat your cookies.